Are you ready to decode the market movements and enhance your trading strategies? Today, we're exploring the accumulation distribution indicator, a powerful tool that reveals the money flow in the market by analyzing price and volume. Technical analysis helps traders predict market trends, and among the various techniques, the accumulation distribution indicator stands out. This volume-based tool is essential for understanding how major players influence market dynamics through their buying and selling actions. The accumulation distribution indicator tracks the cumulative flow of money into and out of an asset. It combines the price and volume data to show whether money is flowing in or out of the market. This indicator is particularly useful for spotting potential reversals and understanding market momentum. The accumulation distribution line is calculated by adding the current money flow volume to the previous value. The money flow volume itself is determined by the money flow multiplier and the volume for the period. This calculation helps traders see beyond mere price movements and analyze the underlying buying or selling pressure. For practical application in trading strategies, consider these approaches. When both the price and the accumulation distribution line make higher highs, it suggests strong buying pressure, indicating that the upward trend might continue. Conversely, if the price is rising, but the accumulation distribution line is flat or declining, it might signal a potential reversal to the downside, as it suggests selling pressure is building up. While similar to the on-balance volume indicator, the accumulation distribution indicator does not factor in the previous close of the candle, focusing instead on the closing price's position within the day's range. This unique approach provides a different perspective on money flow, making it a valuable addition to a trader's toolkit. The accumulation distribution indicator is readily available for platforms like MT4 and MT5, where it can be downloaded for free and used immediately. This accessibility allows traders to integrate it seamlessly into their trading strategies. To sum up, the accumulation distribution indicator is a robust tool that helps traders gauge the strength behind price movements by analyzing volume and price data. Whether you're looking to confirm a trend or anticipate a reversal, the accumulation distribution indicator can provide valuable insights into the market's deeper mechanics. Remember, while powerful, it's best used in conjunction with other indicators and strategies for optimal results. Happy trading! Thank you for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, see you in the next video.